Welcome to day 10 of the 30-day Ignite Challenge here on YouTube. My name is Liz and this is the Bambar Studios channel where I help you get in the best shape of your life, stronger, fitter, faster, everything at home, only using long loop resistance bands. Today we have a full body cardio session for you, all body weight. Before we get started with our warm-up, take a second, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss a workout. Let's get into it. Okay, starting our warm-up just with some really big inhales. Start with a forward fold, hands down, and we're just gonna reach up, have this feel good, and exhale. Good. All right. Now we're going to do some side bends. So reaching one side at a time, alternating hands, feeling the stretch of that whole side of your body. Perfect. All right, now gate openers. So just a standing hip circle, basically. Lift one knee up, bring it out and down, and alternate. Feel free to hold on to something for balance. I would rather you feel the hip open instead of working on balance if you're not feeling good. All right, perfect. And lastly, we're gonna do a low squat. So feet wider than hips, than hip width, and just dropping your hips down and get as low as you can. So you can move side to side, you can put your hands on the ground, but I just wanna open up those hips a little more. Perfect. That's our warm-up. Please feel free to pause, do any other warm-up exercises your body needs today. If not, we are going to get into the only circuit of the workout. Let's go. Okay, here is how this workout is going to work. We have 4 exercises to do in this workout. We are doing 4 rounds of each. Round 1 of every exercise is going to be level 1 for that exercise. When we go to round 2, we're going to dial up the intensity and go to level 2 of each exercise. Round 3 is level 3, round 4 is level 4. Now, if your body or how you're feeling today does not vibe with level 3 of an exercise, stay at level 2 for round 3 and round 4. So you can advance in others and not advance in some, depending on how you're feeling. Know that every round is building up intensity, but you don't have to if that's not where you're at today. All right? So we're starting with body weight squats. Feet on the ground, moving at a pace that's challenging for you because we're doing this body weight. You can move pretty fast. So find a momentum in it and use good form, core on, knees out over your toes. Good. Perfect. All right. Next exercise is a standing march. So standing tall, we're going to bring one knee up, foot flexed, down, and alternate. Use your arms for balance, if that helps. Ready? Let's go. Three. Good. Next, we're doing step backs. So hinging at the hips, feet hip width distance, and we're gonna alternate straightening one leg behind us, back together, and alternate feet. Okay, so not putting that much weight on your back foot. Let's go. So find a pace, stick to it for these 30 seconds. Good. Next and last exercise of the circuit, we are doing a forearm plank. So forearms on the mat, feet out, or you can do modified on your knees like that, or toes in the mat, hips down, pressing up. All right, let's go. So round one, we are holding. So just focus on good form of a forearm plank. And just try and hold. If you need to take a break, put your knees down, go back into it, no problem. Just challenge yourself. Okay. All right, back to the top. We're doing drop squats. Drop squats are feet together. We're just going to drop our feet out and come back together, okay? 3, 2, 1. So again, if this jumping doesn't work for you, stay with the body weight squat. Hands up at your chest. Core on. 3. Done. Perfect. Whew. All right. Next, standing bicycles. So building off of that march, our hands are behind our head, and we're adding a twist to that march to add some core into it, okay? 3, 2, 1. So imagine your back is on the ground and you're doing an ab crunch. So you're bringing your knee up and you're bringing your elbow down by crunching your core. Good. All right, next, reverse lunges. So instead of that step back, we're doing a full bend in your knees for alternating reverse lunges, okay? Starting in 3. You got this. Try and bring your knee to the ground. Move at a pace that encourages more cardio work, endurance work, versus our strength lunges that we do in our strength workouts. All right, next, down to our plank. Level 2 for this one is you're gonna get in your plank and then alternate, reach one hand forward and back. All right, whew. Let's do it. Try not to shift your hips when you reach. Everything should stay still except for that arm. Good. All right, back to the top. We're already round 3. Okay, we're building off of that drop squat. Now when you drop, reach to the ground. All right, alternating hands every time, okay? Let's go. Three. Okay, now building off our bicycles, we're doing alternating forward kicks, reaching for the toes, or you can just kick. Either one works. Okay? I'll show you from the side. So adding more core engagement, making it harder to bring that foot up. And with the kicks, you can do more reps. So more speed, heart rate is higher. Good. All right, drop lunges. So just like we did with our drop squats, feet together, drop, come back. And then we're gonna alternate. Drop, come back. Ready? Let's go. But again, level 2 is where you're at. Level 2 is where you're at. Three. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna go up to a plank on your wrists, on your hands, and we're gonna do plank jacks. So you can do it step if you want, or you can do both at the same time. Choose one. Try and stick to it for the entire 30 seconds. You're already halfway done. Last exercise of round 3. Ready? 3. You got this. Whew. All right. Round 4, level 4. This is the most intense, but just know it's 2 minutes of work, okay? Now we're adding a twist. We're dropping down and we're twisting once we come up, okay? So alternate the twist. Like so. Adding some obliques. Stay consistent. You have 6 seconds left. You can do it. Time. Okay, next, high knees. So, again, stay with your kicks or bicycles or march if you want, or we're doing high knees, bringing that knee up, adding that jump. Let's go. You only have to do this once. You're almost done. Last 10. You can do it. All right, now, jump lunges. So sorry to do this to you. We're removing the middle jump out of these. So you're here at a lunge, switch back to the other lunge. Let's go. 30 seconds. You got this. Push out of that front leg, switch. Oh my gosh, 10 seconds left. We can do it. Oh my God. Okay. Round 4. We're doing mountain climbers. So if you want to do a knee drive or cross your knee over, make it more of a run. Last 30 seconds of work, okay? I know you don't feel like it. We're almost done. Whew. Okay. Be so proud of yourself. I know cardio sucks. Last 5, 3, 2. I'm so proud of you for that. We're gonna start with a child's pose. Okay, knees out, toes in, hips back, and just fall down, forehead on the mat, just feel good. Good. Next, we're gonna go into a tabletop position. Bring one knee up and closer to your wrists, and the other toes tucked, and push that heel back. So working the hip, but also stretching your calf and your ankle, the bottom of your feet. So just push back into that heel. Oh my goodness. Good, switching sides. So knee up, other foot back, and just pressing into that heel, stretching the back of your leg. Good. And lastly, we're going to sit down for a butterfly stretch. Soles of your feet together, and just kind of lean back, shoulders down, breathe into it. That was it, our only cardio workout of the week, so I had to make it good. Please make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, comment below how sweaty you are, and I will see you in day 11.